Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you all are doing great. So, my name is Umra and welcome back in my blog. So, today I want to tell you how did I learn this language at home alone. There is no one to tell me that you should do this, you should do that, and you should not do this, you should not do that. Sorry friends if I make any mistakes, so ignore because I am beginner and I am learning this language. So if I talk about first start with my introduction. So as I told you that my name is Umra and I am a full-time homemaker, but I want to learn something at home because I don't have time to go outside to do anything. I have two small kids, that's why it's very difficult for me to go out and to do something. So I decided to do something at home, and I thought what to do which is beneficial for me and my kids as well. So I decided to learn this language. So I started learning. When I started learning, after some days, I felt that oh my God, this is not my cup of tea. This is very tough to learn this language, and I used to leave the practicing. But after 3 or 4 days, I realized that no, Umra, you should not do like this. And look at yourself. When you started learning this language, you did not even know how to make a simple sentence, but look at yourself now. You can speak little bit English. I can say that now I am able to speak little bit English without thinking in my mind, without translating any sentence in my mind in Hindi. In Hindi we used to do we used to do that. We think any sentence in Hindi our mind, and then we translate the same sentence and then we speak. So there is no need to do this kind of me. So please, if I made any mistakes, so ignore. And if you like my video, please share, subscribe my channel and comment me in the comment section. Thank you. Bye bye.